2019 and 2022, the pilot Blue Cloud initiative developed a framework to provide access to researchers to multidisciplinary datasets, analytical services and computing resources to perform research to assess the quality and the status of ocean, seas, coastal and inland waters in Europe.
The aim and the challenge is to make operational, in an operational environment, the services that are delivered by EOSC and by other infrastructures and make them accessible to a large community of users.
The seas and the oceans, they are very important, and that's why we are collecting a lot of data, and that we are already doing that for decades. Right now we have in the European landscape, we have several what we call research infrastructures or blue data infrastructures in our language in the Blue Cloud. And those structures, let's say, they bring the data together. But in the Blue Cloud we made a federation on top of that. And that federation helps to have a common interface to all these data sets that are underlying in those networks and that are in fact on a daily basis being further extended.
The Blue Cloud really aim to support not only the members of the consortium, but more in general the marine community and supporting our researchers and scientists in performing their daily activity.
The Blue Cloud 2026 initiative will further evolve this pilot ecosystem to become a key component of a fair digital ecosystem for Europe.